I need more. Why do you struggle opening up? Why do you struggle telling the truth? Let's go here.
My biggest fear is being judged by my parents and anyone I talk to.
It's okay. Look, watch this. Stand up. Raise your hand if you resonate with that, where you don't tell the truth because you're afraid of being judged, and raise them high. Look, it's not just you. And I know it feels isolating as hell. I know it feels isolating as hell. I know it does. Put your hands back up, raise them high. It's so important for you to see this. It is not just you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.